Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I invite you to be with me on this learning journey to make this easy DIY beaded necklace which I made with emerald green and champagne color beads. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. It's easy to understand what you want me to do. Here are the materials. You have all the materials listed here. So if you can see here, there are green beads, rings, jump rings, champagne beads, small beads, nose plier, other plier, cord and this beading wire. So I start beading. You must have seen in all the videos when they make any jewelry that things are very smooth and easy when you make it. But actually when we make it, it doesn't happen that way. There are many hiccups. Sometimes you can't string the bead. It looks like very easy. It's not going in. But to make that happen, you can actually use a beading needle as well with the beading wire. I have not used, so I struggle a little bit to put the wire into the beads. Here I've taken 8 beads of champagne and green, 1 each. And then I have tied the knot to make a loop. Please secure the knot with the second time and then you make this is a pendant for the necklace. As you can see, I am going to knot it now. So when you make a knot, it becomes round. You can see that? Yeah. So now we have this secured knot and a loop as a pendant and 2 ends of the beading wire. So I start beading on first side. So I am taking 1 green and 1 champagne, 1 green and 1 champagne color bead to make the whole string for the first side. The length will be decided by you how long you want to make it, just approximate size for the neck. It might be different little bit here and there, but you can measure and then you can make the first side beading all the beads. As you can see, it's growing big. Once we reach the required length, then we are going to stop and we are going to close it. As I have seen, this length is done, so little bit more I am doing it. I have made approximately 14 centimeter one side, which is a standard average length for the necklace, one side. So means total will be 28 centimeters. So and then we are going to add the jump rings and the cord. So here if you see that I am going to measure it. So it is approximately 14 center until the loop for the neck pendant. Now I am adding the crimp bead. As you can see, I struggle to put it couple of times, but if you use the beading needle, it will be easier. So as I already started without that, so then I have added this jump ring. So after adding jump ring, I am putting the wire again through the crimp bead, and I have put it one more bead, champagne bead, which is the last bead, so that it can secure in place. Once I have put it through, I am going to pull the cord, pull the beading wire so that it becomes tighter to the end, to the next to the jump ring. Here you can see. And then with the nose plier, I have fixed the crimp bead and cut the extra wire. So our one side is ready now. Now I am going to bead the beads for the other side. So now you can see as I am struggling to put the wire into the beads, but again you can use the beading needle. Maybe next project I am going to use the beading needle to make it easier. So again the other side, 1 green and 1 champagne, 1 green and 1 champagne. So the whole idea to do is that to show that it might be easier when you do couple of projects already, but assuming that first project will come out perfectly without any hiccups, that's not going to happen. So you can just take it little easy, step by step. Do little projects first. This is very easy project, just the simple beads. You have to string the beads and then your necklace will be ready with the pendant. This loop is our pendant. Loop with the same beads, but that's a pendant. So I'm just putting all the beads across. As you can see, the other side is also getting ready. Once it is done, then same way we are going to add the crimp bead and the jump ring. See, it fell. It's so tiny, it fell. So crimp bead added, now jump ring added, and I bring the wire back to the crimp bead after the jump ring, and then one more bead, I pull it through that and then make it tighten. Once it is tightened, then I, with the nose pliers, I just press the crimp bead. Now you can see both the ends are done. So extra wire cut, and here is our necklace almost ready. Now we are going to put the thread cord with this. So the fitting with the thread cord is excellent. We can do it with the clasp also. Toggle clasp or lobster clasp also you can put, but for that you will have to make it little longer, because I have kept little margin for the beading with this thread, cord thread. So if you are going to make the toggle clasp or a lobster clasp, it has to be little longer than what we have made today. Now you can see that this beautiful necklace is there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.